In this video, you will learn how to allow your customers to enter custom product prices in your store. I'll be using Custom Price for WooCommerce, a free WordPress plugin. You may use the plugin to let customers decide about the price of a gift card. You can add a donation product and allow donors to name the price. The plugin can also be used to promote your products, leave a tip, or cover pay what you want scenarios. The Pro version is compatible with WooCommerce subscriptions. Okay, let's download the Custom Price for WooCommerce plugin. You'll find it in the WordPress repository and in your WordPress plugins with the search bar too. Click Add New and type in Custom Price for WooCommerce. Now, install the plugin you found in the search results and activate it. Now, go to the plugin configuration. The settings for the custom price label will work globally. If you want, you may change the default price label name here. I'll show you how to enable the custom price field for a product shortly. As you can see, there are additional features you can use. The text for extra fields like suggested price, minimum and maximum price, and add to cart button. They are available in the Pro version of the plugin. Okay, now, let's see how to enable the custom price for an existing product or a new one. You may enable the custom price in the General tab in the Product Data section. The checkbox is also available for each variation of a variable product. Let's create a gift card where a customer can name the price. Click Add New, name the product, add the description and an image. Then, go to the General tab in the Product Data section. Click the checkbox and define the label of the custom price field. And that's it! Finally, save your new product. Now, open the gift card product. As you can see, there is a custom price field with the label. Your customer will be able to name the price by typing it in the field on a product page and place an order. In this example, we'll use 100 as a custom price. Done! The custom price of the gift card was successfully set. As you can see, the product value in the order is equal to 100, just as we expected. Visit the Custom Price for WooCommerce Pro page to see all features of the plugin. Also, read the documentation and try the plugin in your free demo. You'll find the links in the video description. If you want to create beautiful gift cards in WooCommerce for free, check the Flexible PDF Coupons plugin. It's compatible with Custom Price. Watch the suggested video to see the plugin in action and visit the extension in the WordPress repository. Find the link in the video description. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.